top news headlines. Troop deployment at educational institutes angers civil society groups. Best social media platforms to be rewarded. Make necessary arrangements to shift paramilitary forces, directs MHRC. Hello, good evening. This is Maria Pangamam giving you the news in details. Heavy troop deployment at educational institutes in Imphal has angered Manipur civil society groups. They said such move of government on pretext of law and order could escalate the current situation to a level. The civil society organizations have demanded immediate removal of the paramilitary forces. We bring you an exclusive report.
The undisclosed final solution to the vexed Naga political problem has left Manipur in a state of confusion and anxiety. The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, a conglomerate of 5 major civil society organizations, has launched a civil movement where a series of protests have been taking place against any deal that compromises the territorial integrity of the state after Naga Talks interlocutor R.N. Ravi told the Naga groups about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's desire to conclude the Indo-Naga peace talks in 3 months, with October 31 was being the final day. All civil society members fear that there may be territorial changes in Manipur due to the Naga peace deal. However, the Ministry of Home Affairs has already cleared its stand that the Indo-Naga peace deal will be closed after taking inputs from all stakeholders. Thousands of troops are being sent in to Manipur who are occupying major educational institutes at capital Imphal. The government says the move is in view of the prevailing law and order situation. However, student groups have described the act as militarization, demanding immediate removal of the paramilitary forces.
Hauzik chathariba Indo-Naga Peace Accord singi irangsina maram oiraga Manipur gi tongan ba college singda Indian Army sing thamjanduna Army deploy tokslaktuna mahiloisang singbu Army kemoin onthorokpagi thawng asi masi desamne amkan mongda condemn tawi masi khudaktagi Army sing asi loktholaga khunai sigi tungi jumbiren oirakaduriba mahiroi singda aki tujungba piriba masi thawng asi khudakta leptuna athubu matamda tonganba alternative way ama thiraga Army sing asi khudakta lokhokidum.
COCOMI coordinator and United Committee Manipur UCM president said the deployment of huge number of armed forces in the state indicates the people of Manipur would be unhappy with the outcome of the Indo-Naga peace pact.
Karintu tawroi de hairaga hauzik powder educational institution da security thamjalladra paramilitary thamjandra Manipur da lanbung amagumna lairiba pibam asina Manipur miyam asida hen mi pahali amadi inariba agreement asida Manipur da karimba wapam khara sokpa yarongani haibasigi sauro wapam amani.
All student body leaders have questioned the veracity of the deployment of additional troops at the educational institutes. They think the government is trying to curb academic freedom on pretext of law and order that could unfold after public announcement of the Indo-Naga peace deal.
Film khara dai tare khoi gi Manipur gi film sokkani hana khoi gi miyam na chingnariba soklamba ya bagi aki basu lai film asida soklamba taraga di Manipur miyam khoi gi civil war am thola kanda achauba khoi gi tangdu laita da khunai am orakadra bagi precaution amadi oramgani adubu thamjani wafam di thamba taraga su government ki secretary office tara duga office lady SDC DC office thamgira thambio jun institution singi campus thambiba sa koi khunai sigi haurak leba youngsters sing adugo tungi asset ogadero mahiro sing subu matam sangna suppressed rokanda namthar kana lakpagi thoksil do makha chadarpna hana lo.
In such a highly charged atmosphere, deployment of a large number of forces in the heart of Imphal has heightened the public apprehension. Many have observed. It has also been speculated that such move could escalate the current situation to a level.
Manipur da koi ikhang khangdana magi academic institutions karada security forces sing election ba hore have pau ta ba si Manipur gi oina yam nungai ta ba pau ni ado sing ba talak sidai da akogi state ki market gi hatar state sponsor gi magong da security forces sing even academic institutions sing da sumai changhalak pasina karamba agenda da masi tawribano haibna ching basi ko miam da khangda ba yam chamam na bai tare aduna ji academic institutions sing si ko free zone ohelu haidana miam na su launari ba the academic community sing ki mak ti su launari ba phom oibani na masi academic ki magi institutions sing je lan matam da bu sokte na ko hainari bane ana masi soksel aise masi ana hena akogi pamiba lambel on the lak pim hota on taina ba akogi miam gi oiba koi reaction yam no aita ba reaction in lak pasu ai aduna ai gi appeal di masi immediately koi withdraw to view aduga mafam cha mafam da makoi sing je koi gi thambiu hai bagi adugi appeal to mai tawjage.
Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren has informed that his government will reward those web pages which provide the most useful information to the masses. While interacting with administrators of popular Manipur-based websites and web pages today at the CM Bungalow, the Chief Minister also maintained that the state's cybercrime department is constantly monitoring round-the-clock all contents and articles uploaded on the social media. Biren Singh strictly advised all web admins not to upload materials without proper authentication on the internet.
Last 2.5 years, the Manipur gi huzik leiriba peace, harmony, development, aduga zat bizat naidaba apunba Manipur amagi saktam da wak to bongam zariba ngamai ba pot punmaksi leibiriba media gi sel now aduga social media bu handle do biriba and menobiriba senariba excel now singi mateng lagi sigi stage yobuni.
Around 150 social media administrators and officers in charge of cybercrime department spoke on the topic during the interaction. Acting on a petition filed by Fulindro Konsam, co-convener of Civil Society Coalition for Human Rights and the UN, and other 7 human rights groups of Manipur regarding heavy deployment of central paramilitary forces at educational institution in Imphal. The Manipur Human Rights Commission today asks Principal Secretary, Special Secretary, Government of Manipur, or any concerned department and all the district magistrates to respond to this petition on or before November 9. The Commission also directed all concerned to make necessary arrangements to shift the Central Armed Forces and accommodate them to other suitable places. Speaking at a press meet at MHRC office, Lamphel Commission's acting chairperson Khaide Mani said that the petition filed by the human rights organizations was thoroughly studied by the Commission and subsequently direction has been given for conduct of an inquiry under Section 12 of the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. Besides, CHR, Committee on Human Rights Manipur, Extrajudicial Execution Victims Family Association Manipur, Human Rights Alert, Human Rights Defender Manipur, Reach Out, Light Watch Manipur, and United People's Front UPF jointly filed the petition.
Human Rights Commission ki member amasung chairman ki thabak taunana ba to act as chairperson haitare. Acting chairperson oina Commission Chief Puragalak Padangasi Babuda case Chama Gomdra Marpu Chumaina locally see Manunda case Nipu Yankai disposed of her Amba Madugi recommendation sing chair my partner successfully petitioner singi complaining singi apamado Pangre Supreme Court na education institution na school college da Sipai Tambado Leragati Lauto Haidana or the Tagi Sulerabani. Adana do Punamagado, Yangaga, Tangai Padar Masimaro, Baport Amane Haina, Case Share. I am the Kangan Mamato Tai Hedana Press, Ta Aina Kondopani.
Meanwhile, Khaidem Mani said that despite the commission being reconstituted back in 2018, it has not been able to function properly due to lack of proper staff and infrastructure. He urged the concerned authority to look into the matter for smooth functioning of the commission.
Commission ji koi na si tharubi tongda naung na lingkalak panina commission gi infrastructure masak matum adagi manpower adagi masagi building chuna chengma laitaba awat page awat pa ngatangai commission ji chap chabadi full fledged commission namu oigedi yamdarabada department haitare division mari aduga mi division amada mi kontra nipu asina chengma chi toraga yamdarada mi chamaga kontra legedabana.
Here's a short commercial break, but coming up next, Marlene Ningmao crowned Miss Good 2019.
Luhongbagi furniture set kaloinana style and style amadi local almira phangbiragani. Furniture set ama laibada fian ama lemna hapchari loinana ningol chakobagi akhanabu offer su pizari. Bed, dining table, office table, sofa, almirah, fridge, asina chingba kudimak phangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsin biro steel decor. Sagol Bantera Akamlikai, Imphal, Manipur. Contact number 96121670042 Natraga 8794714511.
Special Ningol Chakuba and Diwali offers. 10% discount on labor charge. 5% discount on spare parts. For Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors Airport Road, Ghari, near Comprehensive Concept School, Imphal, or contact us at 9366 508 258.
Welcome back. In the Miss Good Beauty Pageant, which was held last evening as a part of the state-level Chavangkut 2019, at the parade ground of 1st Manipur Rifles Imphal, Marlene Ningmao was crowned the Miss Good 2019, while Linghoineng Thado won the first runner-up title and A.R. Marting bagged the second runner-up title. The cash prize of Rs 1 lakh was given to Miss Good, Rs 75,000 to the first runner-up and Rs 50,000 to the second runner-up. 7 top subtitle holders were selected under different categories, namely Miss Beautiful Hair, Miss Beautiful Skin, Miss Congeniality, Beautiful Smile, Miss Catwalk, Best Traditional Attire, and Miss Beautiful Eyes.
2019 goes to and assess. Yes, the winner will. I would like to request all the 3 winners to please come together.
President of Manipur People's Party MPP Oinam Jugindro said that the party firmly believes the statement given by Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju that the center will not finalize and settle the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks without consulting stakeholders of Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. He was talking to media at the party office in Imphal. Jugindro further said MPP supports COCOMI's demand for disclosure of the agreement reached between interlocutor R.N. Ravi, NSCNIM and NNPGs in the peace talks. He expressed displeasure against the former Nagaland Chief Minister S.C. Jamir's statement that Nagas of Manipur, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh are not indigenous Nagas. The MPP leader further said if Article 168 is implemented in Manipur, all ethnic groups can coexist peacefully.
Manipur da leriba jati khudimak yaw yaba adugumba legislative council nama MPP na lebam thoi haidana Manipur sarkar amasung Bharat sarkar da appeal tawjari state kumapan yamlungda state tareta khudam oina harga Andhra Pradesh Bihar Karnataka Maharashtra amasung Telangana Uttar Pradesh sida leiriba legislative council semi se smai tona semirakanda hairibe ethnic group makoi gi apamba amadi makoi aning musingdu council da puthoga makoi penda apenba lengakta yokjanabagi provision do thambiragadi Bharat Sarkar amasung Manipur government madu simbinunaba MP Maigei thamjari.
Manipur Police today sealed the office building of Salai Holdings Private Limited, located at Narantong, Imphal. NCS shareholders and investors stormed Salai Finance this morning. Large number of people were seen waiting for the office to open from early morning. Cops remained alert in view of the situation. According to a reliable source, one of the officials of Salai Finance came to the office in the morning, telling that he will cooperate with the police investigation. The official assured that there will be no misuse of public money by the company. Meanwhile, sources said that Manipur Police has decided to shut the office to ensure smooth conduct of investigation into the case involving Salai Holdings by the crime branch, and also to prevent tampering of documents which are vital to the investigation. The findings of the investigation will be later submitted to the National Investigation Agency (NIA) for a proper proof. It may be mentioned that Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited Naringbam Samarjit a few days ago announced formation of Manipur government in exile in London, declaring himself to be the External Affairs Minister in the self-declared Manipur State Council. Following the development, Manipur Police filed an FIR in this regard. The depositors are worried that the government would freeze their account. Manipur Kabui Union Mahabali is organizing a mass sit-in protest on November 4. In a press release, the union mentioned that the sit-in protest will be held in different Kabui inhabited areas of Manipur. The press release also mentioned that Kabuis are not a part of the Jalengrong community. In support of the Kokumi-led agitation, Nupi Singye Apunbayai Falup organized an alert sit-in protest today at Narantong Kulim Lekai, Imphal. Several students of St. Edmund's English School and Heritage Convent and women folk took part in the demonstration, which was held under the banner protecting the territorial integrity and boundary of Manipur. Maitei Langgol Lairembi Lekai Nupi Loop, Thongak Lairembi, Masaikol Sengat Sagat Nupi Loop, Maitei Langgol Lairembi Wangdai Mayapaibi, Maitei Langgol Yumjau Manbi Lekai, and Punsi Kul Mayapaibi, in association with local clubs, organized an alert torch rally in Langgol Game Village area last night. The rally was held as a part of the Kokumi's late strike against the possible negative fallout from the Indo-Naga final political settlement. Superintendent of Police Bisnupur District Priyadarshini Lystrom handed over ₹1 lakh to the next of kin of deceased BDF personnel Lechomba Herojit Singh. The money was collected from the members of VDF Welfare Association. President of Bisnupur District VDF Welfare Association Oinam Bizoy expressed grief over the untimely demise of Herojit. He also appealed that to the state government to extend help to deceased family. Additional Superintendent of Police Operations KSH Manihar and Publicity Secretary N. Rameshwar and other members of VDF Welfare Association were also present at the event.
Ram Ekogi Priyadarshini Lystrom Ekoi Superintendent of Police ki miyang makhada amadi Ekoi BDF ki Welfare Association ga khusam naraga Ekoi Laikhidraba Herojit ki lehoriba magi mathau mangam pangthokna bagi tamakta Ekoi gi association gi site gi ngamjaba koi mating pangjabani magi lehoriba magi nupi angang macha singi khanbiraga Ekoi gi lengakna Ekoi BDF singi karigumba lehoriba angang singi dama khanbe karigumba thabak thoram kharadi tawbiu haina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ
We have another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Luan Aruna Khat Tang Mai Nei La Mai Adventist Youth Federation West Circle Tuang Youth Camp Hai December 16 to 19, 2019 Namduan Jang National Highway 37 None District Kailuang Gai Khau Adventist Youth Kagwai Guang Kariunu Khang Leaders Guai Rui Samda Lobam The Chabuan Panti Akhatna Sumai Lung Khau Nei La Na Ring Swang Mai Gai Cham Kadam La Cham Khang Guang Lau Diu Khang Tithai
Welcome back. Oinam Maya Paibi Loop organized an alert meeting under Kokomi at Oinam Kaitel of Bisnupur district. Taking part in the meeting, a resident of Oinam Kamui village, K. Nanapui, opposed division among the indigenous communities in Manipur due to the fallout from the peace talks between the government of India and NSA and IM. The protesters chanted slogans like "Long live Manipur," etc. Jamiatul Ulama and other civil society organizations organized a massive alert rally under Kokomi in Mayang Imphal, Bengun area last night. The demonstrators shouted slogans like "Naga peace talks should not affect territorial integrity of Manipur" and "Long live Manipur." Working President of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization SK Wajid Saha said that they certainly welcome the peaceful solution to the Naga problem, but the Muslim community of the state condemns any state which could eventually harm the territorial integrity of Manipur. Thoubal District Police, under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomcha, celebrated Ningol Chakuba along with women members of various organizations of different communities of the district. SP Dr. S. Ibomcha said the event was organized to have a lunch together with the women folk to celebrate the joyous occasion of Ningol Chakuba festival. These simple gifts were also presented to the women at the event. Good education has the power to change a life, Assam Rifles said. To encourage the student in their studies, Assam Rifles Public School Mantripukri organized a school uniform distribution program for underprivileged children of the school at the school premises. At the event, uniforms were also distributed to the NCC cadets of the school. In line with its philosophy of being a constant companion in all the new and exciting experiences for their consumers, Livan is launching the hunt for India's first ever all-girls Korean K-pop band. The K-pop genre has created one of the biggest waves in the global entertainment circuit and gained immense popularity with Gen Jade across the world, according to a press release. The release said that with K-pop stars becoming major global fashion influences and shaping fashion trend worldwide, styling has become critical for any emerging talent in the genre. Open to all K-pop enthusiasts in India, the talent hunt is aimed at finding and honing the best K-pop talent from across the country. The chosen band of 5 Indian girls will get a chance to record their K-pop music video and release it on air with 9XO. Livan's India's top K-pop stars kick off with on-ground auditions in Guwahati and Shillong, followed by shortlisting of winners and mentoring sessions in Mumbai. Auditions will take place in Guwahati on Wednesday and in Shillong on Thursday next. Supreme Court benches led by Chief Justice of India CJI Ranjan Gogoi in a span of 10 working days, will deliver 4 important judgments that can change the socio-religious demography of the country. One of the most important judgments the court will deliver is the Ayodhya Lane dispute case when the Supreme Court resumes work from November 4. The Ayodhya Lane dispute case is one of the most high-profile cases of India, and the judgment will ink a new chapter in the socio-religious chapter of the country. CJI Ranjan Gogoi is heading 3 other benches that will pronounce judgment on petitions seeking review of the Apex Court's judgment allowing women's entry into Sabarimala temple, clean cheat to the government in the Rafale deed, and a petition seeking to bring CJI's office under the RTI Act are 2 of the other judgments on which the SC has delivered judgment in these 10 days. The CJI-led another 5-judge constitution had reserved its verdict on April 4 on an appeal filed by SC against Delhi IC judgment, allowing CJI's office to be brought under the RTI Act. German Chancellor Angela Merkel today pledged to invest 1 billion euros over the next 5 years on environmentally friendly urban mobility in India. Merkel, whose visit to the country coincided with one of the worst spells of air pollution in Delhi NCR, also emphasized on the need to replace diesel-run public transport with electric vehicles, according to media reports. She said that Indo-German have agreed to cooperate on climate protection and green urban mobility and have earmarked 1 billion euros towards the cause. Germany would also put in 200 million euros to reform the bus sector in Tamil Nadu, she added. Touching upon the subject of air pollution in Delhi, Merkel said that looking at the severity of the situation, it would be a good idea to replace diesel buses with electric ones. Merkel said that Germany would also like to work with India on various segments including healthcare, agriculture, and artificial intelligence. Now we have the sports news. Maisnam Mayrabaluwang of Manipur has won a gold in the under-19 men's single of Woncheon Yonex Korea Junior Open International Challenge 2019, held at South Korea, organized by Badminton Korea Association, under the aegis of Badminton World Federation and Badminton Asian Confederation since October 27. In the final match, Mayraba defeated South Korea's Lee Hak-ju. The tournament will end tomorrow. Before we end this bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Troop deployment at educational institutes angers civil society groups. Best social media platforms to be rewarded. And make necessary arrangements to see paramilitary forces, directs MHRC. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.